students, this question asked in GATE 2012 in 2 marks. So let's see what it is saying and what it is asking from you. Okay, consider a source computer S transmitting a file of size 10 to the power 6 bits to a destination computer D over a network of 2 routers R1 and R2 like this. Here is a source, here is a router 1, here is a router 2, and here is a destination. Okay, and 3 links L1, L2 and L3. Okay, L1 connects to source to router 1, so this is nothing but what L1. L2 connects R1 to R2, this is nothing but what L2, and L3 connects R2 to destination, this is nothing but what L3. Okay, let each link be of length 100 kilometers. Distance of each link is given what? 100 kilometer. How much? 100 kilometer. Okay, no problem. Assume signal travels over each link at a speed of 10 to the power 8 meter per second. Means speed is given how much? 10 to the power 8 meter per second, right? No problem. Assume that the link bandwidth on each link is 1 Mbps. Bandwidth of the link is also given. Bandwidth is of the link 1 Mbps, megabits per second. Okay. Let the file be broken down into 1000 packets, and the size of each packet is how much? 1000 bits. Packet size is how much? Means we need to transmit 1000 packets, and one packet size is how much? 1000 bits. Find the total sum of transmission and propagation delays in transmitting the file from source to destination. We need to send how many packets? 1000 packets. So first we need to calculate the propagation time and the transmission time. Okay, so propagation time is what? Propagation time is what? Distance upon speed. Distance is what? 100 kilometer. We need to convert into meter. Okay, so 100 into 10 to the power 3 divided by what? 10 in 10 to the power 8 meter per second. Okay, so what you will get? You will get what? 10 to the power 5 divided by 10 to the power 8. How much? 10 to the power minus 3. This is nothing but what? 1 millisecond. This is nothing but what? 1 millisecond. Okay, this is the propagation time. And what is the transmission time? Transmission time is what? Packet size upon bandwidth. Packet size is how much? 1000 bits and divide by what? 1 Mbps, 1 megabits per second into 10 to the power what? 6. Okay, so you will get 10 to the power 3 is there, and when it will go above, then it will become what? 10 to the power minus 6, then what? 10 to the power minus 3, and also 1 milliseconds. Mean propagation time is also 1 millisecond and transmission time is also 1 millisecond. Okay, so propagation time 1 millisecond, 1 millisecond, 1 millisecond, and the transmission time is also 1 millisecond, 1 millisecond, 1 millisecond. So first packet will take how many time from source to destination? Total propagation time is how much? 3 milliseconds, and total transmission time is how much? 3 milliseconds. Then the total time it will take from source to destination is how much? 6 milliseconds. So when we are transmitting the packet 1, then in the same time other packets also in process, in parallel with packet 1, So the remaining packets, means first packet will take how much? 6 milliseconds, and as I told you, the remaining packets also is in process when we are sending the packet 1 in parallel. So the remaining packet will overlap the time of the packet first. Means they are not going to take the separate time, because they are also in the process when we are sending the packet first. Means they are overlapping the time of the packet first. So the remaining packet is how much? 999. So the remaining packet will take 1 millisecond to reach the destination from router R2. To reach the destination from router R2. Okay, so The remaining packet is 999, so all the packets will take only 1 millisecond to reach the destination. So 999 millisecond plus first is taking how much? 6 millisecond. So total time is how much? 1005 millisecond. Good question. So which option is true? Option A is true. Option A is true. Okay, all the packets overlap the time of the packet first. Okay, so that's why all the remaining packets will take 999, only 1 millisecond to reach the destination from router R2. Okay, so answer is what? 1005 millisecond. You can see the solution like this. So they calculated what? Propagation delay and propagation time. Okay, 1 millisecond, and we have 3 links. One link is taking what? 1 millisecond. So that's why what? 3 millisecond propagation time. Similar way, transmission time is also 1 millisecond. Was 1 millisecond. So the total transmission time also is what? 3 milliseconds. That's why 3 plus 3 how much? 6. So first packet will take 6 milliseconds to reach destination. Okay, from source to destination. So as I told you, while first packet was reaching D, other packets must have been processing in parallel. Means they are overlapping the time of the first packet. So D will receive remaining packets, one packet in per 1 milliseconds from destination R2. So total time is what? 999 packets will take 909 millisecond, plus first is taking how much? 6 milliseconds. Total is how much? 1005 milliseconds. Okay, so option A is correct. Thank you.
If you really like the video, please hit the like button, share the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates. Thank you.